Hi guys, coach speaking, the author of Forex Broker Killer. If you can remember properly, in the morning I once mentioned where's the real tech. The real tech doesn't appear anymore, but it's fine. What's wrong with these brokers? But it's fine anyways, it doesn't matter. So as I promised earlier, if you can remember, I want you to remember from the morning. I want you to remember from the morning. Never mind what you're seeing. Remember my first live from the morning. And then I made a promise that I might come back. Actually, it was not a promise. I said I might come back to show you my real trade, you know, my real trade. When I say my real trade, I mean my main account, which I trusted so much. The other two accounts, they were not good for me and my reputation, you know. So it was just to inspire some of you guys, you know. Otherwise, it's a fake account. I'm sure this is why you don't wanna. When sababa lo sifiso nyomao, sababa lo sifiso nyomao, maratagao nyomao. Ibil chamo live nya, kaba bloka jwa motho mo. Ukai, kumu bloka jwang, hide live video, nyomao. Maret, ko remove. Akitor ke address at the nation wa hlomundi step maratagao. Heban. Mtakoba man don't chilikish lena lantena ga botso I'll tsore ke na le temper marle phela le nthoma mehle u disturb a speech sad. Yeah, so as I said before, on the live video that I did early in the morning, if you remember, go watch it if you haven't. I said I might come back later on to show you guys what I'm up to or what I've been up to. Langushish sharp. So now, if you can recall, there were two small accounts. So here's the first one. Timomomo. Now, here is a perfect example of what a true hustler is. I mean, from a deposit of $120, well, we are not counting the credit, the 100% bonus, but yeah, from the deposit of $120, you can see the profit. Whether it's real or it's fake, look at the skill. Look at the skill, Masip. Look at this. The skill is what's important. La loyally, nothing. Anyways, from $120 to 800 and something, close to 900. That is close to 900% returns. Entry it was at 4 a.m. in the morning. 4 a.m. in the morning. 4 a.m. in the morning. It has been going up ever since. Why? Because coach said so. FBK Market Direction. Abash. So that is the first account. Before I analyze how much is what, I'm gonna go to the second account. Now the second account, it's just that here I'm using a different device because I mean I have over 6 phones. Even the one that I'm going live with is one of my phones. So you see, I have many phones. You can't ask me where's the phone that I was using in the morning. I have many phones. You see now. Now this is the other account. If you remember it very well from the live here morning, this one was sitting on. I forgot the profit, but now you see it's on 5,300. Look at the lot sizes. With lot size, this is almost 900. This is almost 900 points. Almost. Coach, do you have Telegram? No, Chief, I don't have Telegram. I don't even let me just address this now. I don't have Telegram. Finish and clear. I don't have Telegram. I don't do investment nonsense. I will never inbox you asking you to join anything. If you want to join anything, you have to run after me, not the other way. None of my team members from Virtual ST, Fosh, Kuto, nobody will ever inbox you or follow you asking you to join anything. Hey, man. So anyways, back to business. Like one again, 5,300 from 1,200. Then this one from $120 to $800 and something. So now I'm doing this to make you be aware. This is with $10. With $10, you could have been sitting on about $80 profit from $10. This is the same scenario. So I did my best by going low and depositing as low as $100 just so I could make this example for you guys. Now my main account, the main account which made me go live right now. Before I do so, I want you guys to guess. Just guess how much I'm sitting on the main account. Now the deposit was not so huge, but yeah, I want you guys to guess as to how much am I sitting on right now. Mara, to be honest, the last few events, it's our first wave. Now remember, now we are on FBK Market Direction second wave. This is a second wave. This is the second event on second wave. The AUD one was good. This one was good, is good as well. This one is actually the best. The AUD one, I didn't even trade it. It was average. Yeah, but yeah, otherwise the few remaining events for the first wave were not so good. And I must say, I'm glad that happened because it removed fake traders. We have those traders who see you make profit. When they see you make profit, they quickly want to join. Then when they join, I don't need such people in my life. I need soldiers, people who are going to go with me to the war, to this war of fighting poverty through thick and thin. Not gold diggers, people who join you only when you are winning, and then when you are losing, they run. I don't want such people. Now, if you are with me, you need to know that we are in this together. When I lose money, you also lose money. When you also lose money, I also lose. We all lose money. That is the whole point of being traders and inspiring one another. You know, and I must say, the first wave, the remaining events, especially the last one, I had so much hope on it, but I've lost money on it. I've lost money. I think I've told them in the groups, the first wave people. Others were happy, others were disappointed. But fact remains, gold digger. I mean, you can't always be wanting to win all the time. It doesn't work like that. This is the market, chief. I don't control the market. We all make money, we all lose money at some point, but consistency is what keeps us going. Now, the main account that made me go live today, Timo Ogara Lebon. Ogara Lebon, and I look papa iPhone. Ke ba papatla ka iPhone le ba bona ke 280,000 deposit to 1.2 million rent. This is the rent, not dollars, my people. This is rent, not dollars. I believe you can all see. It's the same trade. Basically, it's the same trade. I'm looking for the entry level here. Let me, guys, how do I switch to time frame M15 on iPhone? I can't even find the entry here. Yeah, but I think the entry line is black, but the entry is somewhere on 595. Yes, 70595. 70595. It's 70595. It's somewhere here. Yeah, the entry was somewhere here, but I think maybe it's because my lines are black, so my background is black and my entry line is also black, so that's why it's not visible. But otherwise, that's besides the point. That is beside this, the entry, whether you see it or not, it has nothing to do with the skill. Focus on the skill, Moloi. Otherwise, Langushish. Yeah, yeah, brother, I see. Yeah, I will set the settings after. I will set the settings after. But settings are not so important. The main important thing is to make money. And then this is not. You see now, this iPhone is just you see now. I want you guys to understand something. You see, I've opened a trade here. I've opened a trade here, and I've opened a trade here. I don't like iPhone, but if I can make 1 million with an iPhone, why not? I can flash it tomorrow. I can flash it and buy an iPhone 13 if it's available, and still make another 1 million with it. So now I'm just doing what we call a market research. No, not research, reset, whereby I'm reminding traders what what I am, you know, in a form of inspiring them, because I think this thing of having to be making huge profits all the time gets to discourage upcoming traders as to what will I ever make this much money with my $100. Here's your perfect proof, from $100 to $800. Now let us calculate how much are we. You see now the ZA account, everything is quite clear. I don't need to calculate for you guys. Now you see, from a deposit of 1,700 rands, a deposit of 1,700 rands, to a profit of how much? Of 870. Let me type 870. Yeah, from 1,700 to 12,500 just for today, using one signal. Now, if you have risked this much, you've deposited your last 1,007 or whatever the case it may be, and the market went in our favor. Remember now, this is a war against poverty, not competition amongst ourselves. And then you made 12,500 today. You close the trade and then you withdraw. You have 12,500. You don't need to trade in the next event. To be honest, who can give you 12,000? But because greedy, the next thing you will be blowing it, crying again, coming to me crying, saying, hey, you're not there. But otherwise, like, so this is like my main account. This is like for inspiring you guys. Now this account, the 1,200. Let me tell you the story of this account. The 1,273 that you see, it was actually 3,700 and something previously on the first wave. Market direction. Now remember, now market direction doesn't mean that the trade will somehow go in your favor forever. Rejection is possible, but rejection is always temporary in most cases, right? So now this was I had about 18,000 remaining. I had more than that. I had close to 50k on this account. I've blown a portion of it on the first wave, the one of the last events. I was super depressed, but now I've recovered. You can see I've recovered with more now. Now my equity is almost on 6,500. That is double what I had before. So that's why I'm saying that I'm tired of having gold diggers behind me. I don't want to lead gold diggers, people who are with you when you are winning, and then just one loss in J, they run. If you are like that, the market must kill you forever. If now every time in J the market hits you up, now you always run, you must lose your money forever. I'm cursing you to lose your money forever, because you are one of the people who are causing bad reputation in the foreign exchange industry. You know, when you are making profit, you are celebrating. Then when you start losing money, then you start pointing fingers. But when you are making profit, you are not even giving us anything. The people who have shown you, who have paved the way for you. Langushish, let the gold digger in Lambora. Lambora kakudu. Yeah, you go febe the little Lydia. But febe fella, it's not about dating. Let gold digger go febe. How can no cat say, well, one profit again? le bona profit le atla le kitime market direction I want market event ama thomir ko ya le konka ya bus twir ko ya le konka after mole a chaba le sabuo. Then the remaining 11 events, they are all good, but when you are weak, you are very weak, you run away, you are not a man, you are I don't know if it will sound offensive, but you are half a human. You are half a human. I don't want to use the other example. You are half a human. You are not a man. You are half a woman if you are a female. You are not a real woman. A real soldier stays on the market no matter what. Whether it's good or whether it's bad. You can't always run because of one bad trade. You don't deserve to be here. Now I roll with hustlers, people who don't give up. Imagine had I give up on this account. Look at where it is now. You see, I'm teaching you something in life. Never give up, my people. I have 5 years. I've been with you since from 2019 or 2020. Nothing is happening. Hey chief, what useless mna unaruto dialang cause attitude ha wena o tsene ka mo nana hore o tlo no fitla wa trade wa dia chelete nemna. This is a war, this is a battle against poverty, chief. There is going to be ups and downs all the time. Oh, show us the small account. Sorry, yeah, here's the small account. You see, I happen to love the small account, this one, more than this one, because this is what I'm used to. This is my life all the time. But now this is an inspiration to me as well. This is a reminder of where I come from. I used to do this. This is how I made 100K from 1,000 back in 2016, and I was alone. None of you guys were here for me. You didn't even know that I existed at that time. You didn't even care. That's why I get the gold digger. You just see one profit you come running. I want to join. I'll fit that you para wa chaba up. You go around bad mouthing me. Gold digger, I wish the market can knock you down forever until you die. If you are like that, you must lose money until you die. I wish that could happen if you are like that. Another gold digger. Nobody did a profit, but did a profit. But did a profit guy did a profit guy in the diba homelage gold digger. But withdraw. They're spending the money. One event, you have a veteran. You will see them. Yeah, I want a refund. Refund them a rate. Refund them. I'll get refund. I'll get 5 years of trading with so much money people have made through my work. None of them have I came and said, Coach, you know what? Yeah, I'm not paying you. I'm just thanking you for the knowledge. No one. They all say thank you using words. When they lose money, now they want refund. La nyalena. Let nanarkali li clever mus. Lana li clever lena. Kiloboni. Li joke li clever lena. Lena li clever lena. Alwina la homelela. Kaba homelage. Bakaya annual. Abay ba ya profit agere. Makatomanato ba ya profit. Abar ko katenyan. Utlo wa bona ba itla ba kiti mama India. Ba itla re nyo maraba dia profit abang ko pol. Na ketur le juang le na le gold digger na ba lambora hal dia profit ala le se ke la nwa le wa bon a ona la ka o tato mpha le e-wallet no one 0% abato mpha le e-wallet next ereba blow ga te win ereba lose and I will lose more. It's always because of risk management. I mean, you can't have your last $120 and then use lot size 1. That is madness, bro. You're not a millionaire, bro. That is madness. You can't do that on the market, chief. You're not a millionaire. You are not me. Now I can do this. I can do this with $1,100,000. I can do this 100 million times and still continue trading. When this is your last money, you can't do this, chief. You must think that, hey, this is my last money. Let me apply proper risk management, because you never know what's going to happen to you on the market. La nyalena di gold dig. Literally clever lena. But otherwise, lena ke al rat. those who look up to me, those who see my purpose in life, I love you so much. I'm doing this to inspire, especially this account to inspire broke traders. We have 3 categories. We have broke traders, we have middle traders, we have rich traders. So this is for broke traders, then this is for middle traders, and then this is for rich traders. But otherwise, I love my broke traders because when they make it in life, they have a story to tell. When a boki itobala mafelelo bona live aka martaga nyommago wena boki or kwening ene ke le India ma India nyana hey ma India nyana man le fotloga kwa India kwa le tlor siligisha ka South Africa le juleng kwa gablena if a le forex le juleng ka kwa gablena ka kwa le tlor siligisha hai la matswana yana alone lang khopisha to mara anyways now my mood changes 5 times in 10 seconds. So I can get angry 10 times and get happy 10 times. So otherwise get happy no. So anyways, yeah. So language jamar. Inspiration. Inspiration. Get inspired. Pushing man. No matter what man. Nothing is easy man. We all have problems man. So now you can't always be making your problem someone else's problem. Dikolo e shide mna di jutse mo mna dina di petrol dikolo mara o ka sa go ke tla ke go manya batho ke ra kana petrol ke no gotlella di ntloshidi di mention di dutse a dina metlagase mara no gotlella ke bophelo nka se tle mo live ka go botsa gore a kana metlagase re no gotlella ba fuethu ke life man. Social media obviously re ka se ngwala mathata rena cause mana ba rena tlo celebrate, but we all have problems. So by me saying this, don't ever wish to be someone else. Lo sabo wish over le nna ke na mathata ke na mathata o feta motho ba le 60 years mathata kana la gona ka magolo ka kudu ka sa gone lena. So don't ever wish to be me. Be yourself all the time. Create your own story. My story might inspire you, yes, but seek inspiration from that and then start your own journey. Staying in a shack right now trading doesn't mean you'll make it in Forex. Just a friendly reminder. Because there are so many people who are obsessed with my storyline to an extent that they want to do everything exactly as I do it. That is how you're going to get hurt. Be yourself. Be yourself all the time. It's going to work out for you. God will bless you when you are yourself. Seek inspiration from me, it's fine. But at the end of the day, always be yourself. People say I'm a public figure, but I don't see that in me. That's why I'm not lazy. I'm not lazy. I will not go around the bushes. I wouldn't care what the media will say. I wouldn't care what people would say. This is me all the time. No filter. I'm like that all the time, 24/7. So I can't be pretending to be something that I'm not. That's why I'm making it in life, because I'm always myself all the time. I don't pretend to be anybody. Please use English for non-South African. Lena manyana man. Hey, every day ke school. Nar la pile mana. Lena spade mana. Nar la pile gal na makhuwa ban. Aw. Khalsala ba rota school bila res khon rena. Ban nar la pile gal na school ban. Aw lena spade ban. Aw le tlo dia o ka English nyane ya lena ina le swega a se selo English nyane ya lena man. Ya manyana na makhuwa bolelang sepedi le lena lenang sepedi if ke go inspire ibile live jaaka no go tobolela ka sepedi if ke go inspire o tlo lena sepedi go ro tlong kwa ka bolela ke lapile nna nka no nna ga mbele tsentso fo bolela sekgowa le ga kwatile ke bolela ka sekgowa aye le mazulu le leng sepedi ma venda le leng sepedi ke nna mo pedi nna ke lapile ka lango tshetsha lena man hai sekgowa okay a ke re ba sang go re yeah, my international people, I apologize. I will use English all the time. Banya ma international. Banya go me. Nar la pile ka bona. Ba la ni spedi le ba botjeng gore ke rialo. Aw. Le ba botjeng nar la pile motlale ke fotla re inspire ba ta ka sekgowa mona. Wamana. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, back to my thing. Hey, like one account. This is the small account. This is the middle account. This is the big account. So here are the entry levels. So now the market has reached the end. Now let me put it properly. I've reached the end of the market. Yeah, that is the right way I should put it. I've reached the end of the market. Who is this? Oh, it's the neighbors. Yeah, I've reached the end of the market, and then that's it. Otherwise, my people, I love you so much. Thank you for looking up to me all the time. Even though I know I swear a lot, it's not good manners, but it's who I am. Unfortunately, it's who I am. It's like I have bipolar. Eh? My mood changes 10 times in 10 seconds. It's like I have bipolar. So if I have bipolar, you need to accept and acknowledge me as I am. That is the only way. You can't change me. You can't change me. Even my own parents failed to change me. So we know you don't change. Who are you to change me? So but besides the point, I want you guys to get inspired and never give up no matter what. Create your own story. So otherwise, and thank you guys for looking up to me all the time. And I've just celebrated 5 years of trading Forex just recently. That is a big milestone for me. It's a big achievement for me because there are so many traders who have given up within a range of 5 years, and I'm willing to trade for so many years. But otherwise, I'm on I'm on a plan to actually resign from public trading in a way, meaning that these are some of my last days doing trading videos and all that. So I want you guys to always remember me for who I am. No matter what happens to me, no matter what people say about me, no matter what the media says about me, I want you guys to remember the way that I've paved for you guys, because trust me, the other races are not happy with what a black man is doing. Always remember that. They are coming for all of us. Any black man who has ever made it from nothing to something, they are coming for all of us. I'm telling you. So you need to remember that this is a war that's beyond us. So no matter what happens next, just know that now I've done my part. Now it's time for you guys to do your part. Otherwise, thank you so much. I love you guys. Mwah! Nginthanda bonke emakhaya. Tata.